Pasok po kayo.
Dito tayo. Dito tayo sa sala, Docs.
Dito po kayo.
Sige po.
Dito po sa amin.
32 minutes ago.
So, Docs, therapeutic massage.
Yeah.
Right? Ang ating topic ngayon.
Yes.
Okay,
Wow,
what's the
exciting.
difference between an ordinary massage and a therapeutic massage? And why do we need a doctor to get a therapeutic massage?
Okay. Sige. Sasagutin po yun ni Doktora.
Sige.
A therapeutic massage is an evidence-based massage. The strokes are learned and is derived from different kinds of massage.
Okay.
So it's not just like the massage that you get from sa
Kasi ito,
spa.
di ba, Doc, ito yung may mga points, certain
Yeah.
points na
Parang
connected sa head, yung mga sa feet, ganyan.
Yes.
Pero teka muna, Attorney Resh, di ba? Pakilala muna natin
Sige.
sila, Doc.
Ay, di
si
pa ba
Doc,
nagpapakilala?
si Doc Michael Allen Thompson. Good morning.
So, that's me. Good morning po.
Si Dr. Lynn Malinit, Medical Director of Nurturing Touch Therapeutic Clinic. Wow. Yan. Welcome here po sa Good Morning, Kuya. So,
So, sino usually yung mga pasyente nyo, Doc, na nagpapamassage?
Me, I'm a certified infant massage instructor.
Infant, okay.
So I handle infants more.
bakit po? Ano ang importance ng massage sa infant?
Kasi sa atin, touch...
Importante ang haplos ng nanay.
Yes, and tatay, of
Tatay.
course. Sa atin kasi touch is the very first sense to develop. So it's very important, even in our hierarchy of what we do. Yung una, yung nade-develop. And then it's the last to leave. So they say that when the baby receives massage, they do not only receive the massage, but they thrive. Ibig sabihin, they grow. So in infants, it's very important, especially in mental health and in marami in
Can you
so many
actually
aspects.
stimulate growth? Kunwari growth ng limbs, no? By massaging.
Actually, there are studies by Tiffany Field. It's about premature infants. There, for 6 consecutive days of 15 minutes of infant massage, you can have a 47% increase in weight
Oh,
gain.
wow.
So in premature kasi long.
How young?
How early as day 1.
Talaga?
Day
Pwede
1, yeah.
I think even pregnant women are advised to have a massage, diba? Which is para daw yung normal delivery nila. Is that true?
Kung infant si Dr. Lynn, adult naman si Dr. Michael.
Actually, sa amin, I'm part of an NGO.
Okay.
It's called Self-Health Empowerment Movement. So what we do is we empower people to take control of their health. Kasi our cases, most of our cases are in our clinic naman, that's the Wellness Land Health Institute. Most of our cases are chronic cases of diabetes, hypertension, cancer, stroke. Now, the good thing about our main goal, our main mission, again, to empower people to take control of their health. Kasi the body already has its infinite capability to heal itself. That's the main premise. Now, for us, there are only 2 causes of disease. It's either there's something in your body that's not supposed to be there, or there's something that's lacking.
Virus, bacteria, etc.
That could be one,
Okay.
or it could also be energy,
Okay.
like stress. So, so if you remove what's not supposed to be there, and you put what's supposed to be there, the body is able to heal itself. That's it. Okay. Now, in our current medical system, sometimes kasi, we are trying, kasi kung meron tayong sakit, it's just our body's way of talking to us. You know? Like for example, kung masakit ang ulo mo, baka sinasabi niya, kulang ka ng tubig. No? Or sobrang pagod ka na, tulog ka naman.
Walang pukat.
But sometimes, we just try to, parang tatapalan lang natin. No?
Medicine.
And it doesn't cure
Really
the
correct.
cause.
Oo,
Yeah.
or cure.
Now, massage, it's something that facilitates nourishment and detoxification.
Okay.
Because when you massage,
The
you,
toxins go to the lymph nodes.
yeah, you facilitate the flow of the lymph nodes. And then, of course, the healing touch
Okay.
That's a very in chronic cases like diabetes, in cancer.
So, Dok, totoo daw yung hilot. Kasi si Direk Lito, mahilig magpahilot. Marami daw lamig-lamig sa likod. Totoo ba yung tinatanggal yung lamig? Totoo rin ba yung paghihilot?
Hilot, it's a traditional treatment of Filipinos. Yes, but our cases, because I can only speak for our case now.
Yeah.
It's more on chronic, If you have an acute injury, like for example, balik,
Okay.
diba? Or something na needs emergency care.
Kuwari si Diego, kailangan magpaano ng knee, tuhod. So, kaya bang i-massage yun? Pwede ba yun?
Kailangan magpaano?
Magpa-opera. May gout siya. May crystals
Yeah,
or something.
that is one. But our approach kasi, it's holistic. You know?
Okay.
So you can't just, hindi pwedeng
Doon
kain
lang
ka lang ng,
minamasa-
and then you continue your stressful lifestyle, and then iasa mo lahat sa
masahe.
It won't work.
Especially kung sa kanya uric acid deposition, nasa joints di ba? So, that's beyond the yung
Hindi kayang
hindi mo siya ma-reach.
Hindi
na-
kayang ma-lymph nodes, mapunta sa lymph nodes.
Hindi kaya kasi yung mga crystals are deposited inside.
Our what we do is instead of treating the symptom, kasi the pain is a symptom, di ba? And we usually put siguro pain reliever,
Yeah.
So instead of treating the symptom, we treat the root cause. Okay. So the question is, what is the root cause? What is causing the deposition?
In his case, I think it is di ba? Is it congenital? I mean,
Genetics.
ka pa ba? Genetics. So,
Genetics.
can you correct that through your mode of treatment?
The challenge with genetics is that when you say genetics, parang wala ka ng genetics sa magulang ko, di ba?
Mana.
So it gives you parang no control. But you can do something about it, The reason why it's perpetuating is because there's something in your habits, or something in your condition that is continually happening, that is producing that result. So if we change something, but it takes, some time, it takes a while. If we change that, and then it will address the current.
Ako naman, meron akong tanong kay Doktora. Doktora, kasi ako I'm a mom, Pwede ba din namin aralin yung masahe na ginagawa sa mga bata? Para, sa bahay na lang namin gawin. We don't need to bring them to you.
Okay, yes. So, actually, we have infant massage classes. You can take it prenatally, wala ka pang baby. May dolls na. And then, pag may baby na, pwede. And then, what we say to moms, dads, and sa babies din nila, na once you do the class, it's an investment of a lifetime.
Ayun nga. I was
You
gonna
don't
ask,
have to repeat
Hanggang gaano ka tanda na minamasahe mo
I
yung
know,
anak mo?
I was gonna ask nga kung does it stop there o meron pang hanggang 7,
Yeah.
Pagkasintanda ko na ba yung Mami, massage. Postnatal massage.
Maybe the other way around, ikaw na sa mom mo.
Actually, we have the infant massage classes are for those up to pre-crawling age. But we teach also the modifications when they grow up. So,
Nakasintanda ko na.
up to adolescence. Up to adolescence.
Adolescence.
add
Kung
laugh.
kung sakaling nga dumating na yung araw, magkaanak na ako. Kahit wala pa, mukha na. Magkano ba itong mga classes na ito na parang sinasabi mo?
It would depend if it's personalized. Like every thing is personalized. What personalized, I mean, by
One-on-one.
Depende sa need nung
yeah. And then depende if we hold a maximum of 5 families. It's a maximum. Per class. Or one-on-one. As for the rates,
Check na lang
it varies. You can check
Text niya na lang din sa
Depende kung ang dumating sa'yo katulad ng mom ni si Dr. Sara na naka-Birkin, edi mas mataas ang rate.
Pero tayo wala
I have a question to Doktora. Kasi, ito bang pag-aaral mo ng massage, meron ba itong certificate na ikaw licensed massager ka na
Yes.
pwede mo ba itong gawing i-racket mo, gano'n?
Iraq.
I-racket talaga yun. Hindi
Yeah.
massage sa iba, gawin
Yes.
mong business, diba?
In infant massage, we teach the moms, dads to do it to their babies, but they cannot teach their friends unless they become certified infant
Of course,
massage
it's very
instructors.
dangerous.
Yes.
Oh.
And then when you become a certified infant massage instructor, that's when you can
Yun nga, oo.
teach your friends.
And then for you to be able to be certified, how long should you finish the course?
It's an intensive program. It's called International Association of Infant Massage. They developed a very intensive program wherein you have to teach, you have to go there live and have them teach you, and then you have homework after, like written, oral.
Doc Michael, ako naman tanong ko sa iyo.
Yeah.
Di ba sa mga may diabetes minsan nagkakaroon na sila ng kahirapan sa blood circulation
Yes.
nila, nangingitim na yung mga paa nila, no? I have a lot of tita na ganyan
Kasi
eh.
yung mommy ko, personally, medyo maitim na yung lower leg niya.
Okay.
Well, hindi siya maitim, pero may pigmentation. Hindi na pantay yung color. And I think, tama yung sinabi ni Attorney Reg, blood circulation po ata
Yeah.
yun. So, do you recommend na magganito sila?
Yes, it could help. It could help them relax, especially if, kasi sometimes the challenge with chronic diseases is the patient already focuses on that disease, no? Na diabetic ako, and now if that's what's in your head, it's the one that expands. Kasi yun na laging titingnan mo, ang itim ng paa ko. Now, it causes you stress. Now, if you're in a constant state of stress, the immune and healing systems of the body is closed. No healing will happen. No? So if you are in a state of relaxation, and you just allow your body to heal itself, the immune and healing systems are open. Okay? So it will further also facilitate circulation. But then, again, in diabetes, we have to find the root cause. Like for example, how's the eating habit? How's the food intake?
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
Holistic talaga.
How is the relationship? Relationships are very, very crucial. And chronic disease kasi, since chronic siya, hindi lang siya one shot na yung pasyente lang ang pasyente. No? It's the whole
So Doc, ibig sabihin yan, kapag nagre-relax ka, you can even heal a broken heart.
Ay,
Where
Pwede
do
yun,
broken
di ba?
parang
hearts
mahabang
go?
usapan yan, no?
Ano ba? Oh, si Doc Lynn, meron daw.
Actually,
Oh.
with infant massage, you fall in love with your baby, and then there's this hormone called vasopressin. It's the monogamy
So you fall in love
monogamy
more.
hormone.
Oh.
It
Monogamy hormone.
yeah, monogamy hormone. So it makes the dad protective and of course yung dedicated to the family. And in addition to what Dr. Tongsan said, yung if stress, babies also
Get stressed.
get stressed. So what happens with infant massage, the stress hormones go down while the relaxing hormones go up.
Doc, wait, yung sa case ng mom niya, kunyari, should Monica be willing to undergo training? Would you conduct dun sa mga, kunyari, sa mga anak ng patients para
Imasahe.
Pwedeng
sa bahay na
para
lang.
sa bahay. Umaga initially dadalhin doon. However, kung ganyan ill yung patient, pwede kaya yun magpapatrain siya. Do you conduct that kind of
For adults?
Yeah,
No.
for adults.
Actually, sa amin, we have a wholeness center in Bulacan. It's called Ayasis Wholeness Center. There, I think, kasi dahil self-empowerment ang
Yeah,
ang ano
yung trust
namin,
nyo na NGO.
ang thrust namin. So, we are trying to empower. So, we try to make you as much as possible not dependent on us. Okay? So that it's something you can do at home, it's something you can share, and when you share it, it's reinforced. No? So, for our clinic here in Manila, we don't have that kind of
But in Bulacan, you
services.
do.
But in
Sa NGO, kasi siya
yeah,
nag-work.
in Bulacan, that's something that we
Okay.
can
Doc, saan kayo matatagpuan? Paano kayo makokontak in case na
okay.
gusto namin
Ako, interested ako.
Ako rin eh, actually. Oo.
On card.
May fertility massage ba? Teka lang, yun lang.
Ba't ganyan mga tanong mo? Maganda ka na nalagay kasal.
Kasi nga, di
Meron
ba
bang
ikakasal na
ganon?
siya?
No?
Itinatago yan.
Para sa mga
Beyond
nahihirapan
the scope.
magkaanak. Okay, so beyond. Okay.
But I've heard of it, but I have to read more about
Okay.
it.
Doc, saan kayo matagpuan?
So, I'm in Makati, in 597 J. Pearl Street, Makati City. It's just, if this is Rockwell
Okay.
and this is Ilog Pasig,
Okay.
you just go straight, don't turn left to Makati Ave, don't turn right
Straight
to
to Ilog
Mandaluyong.
Pasig?
No, don't turn right to Mandaluyong Bridge, go straight, and then we have
Near the City Hall.
logo. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, beyond the
Ayun
city.
yung sa DMCI project doon.
Di
ba
medyo
yun din?
before.
Anong name ulit, Doc?
It's
nung
Nurturing Touch
Nurturing
Therapeutic
Touch Therapeutic
Play Clinic.
Play Clinic. And si Dr. Michael?
Yeah, kami naman sa Wellness Land Health Institute Manila.
Okay.
So that's in 53 King Ferdinand Street, Kings Point Subdivision, Barangay Bagbag, Quezon City.
Okay.
That's around siguro 15 to 20 minutes away from SM North.
Sa may ano yun, sa likod no, ng sa may, malapit na sa Mindanao, tama?
Yeah.
Kings
Doon sa
Point
may
na
Wilcon
dadaan.
and then...
Yeah.
Pakingi kaming card
Yeah, sure.
Oo, kami card.
I'll get it.
Sige. Maraming salamat, Doc Michael and Doc Lynn.
Yeah.
Thank you.